In this video I am going to show you how you can log into another Facebook account on your Facebook app. Open the Facebook app. Here you will find your Facebook account is logged in to your app. To log in another account, you need to log out this account first. Tap on the menu icon, scroll down to the bottom and you will find logout. If you forget your Facebook password, please don't try this. You may have problem logging in again. If you remember your Facebook password, then tap on logout. Then tap on logout again. Your Facebook account is now logged out. Then tap on log into another account to log in with another account. Here, type your mobile number or email address and password to log in again to another account. Tap on login. Yes, it's me. And you will log in to another account. Here you can see I have logged into another account. By this way you can log in to another account on your Facebook app. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope it was very helpful for you. Please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe the channel to get this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.